Welcome to Kids Wonderland Zone. Let's learn about colors. Red objects, apple, tomato, ladybug. Orange objects, orange, pumpkin, basketball. Yellow objects, cheese, lemon, banana. Green objects, broccoli, leaf, pear. Blue objects, blueberries, sapphire, bluebird. Purple objects, plum, purple cabbage, eggplant. Pink objects, rose, pig, flamingo. Brown objects, squirrel, chocolate, acorn. White objects, swan, milk, dove. Black objects, raven, panther, coal. Thank you for watching Kids Wonderland Zone.